My name is Kelvin Gomez. I'm a consultant breast surgeon, and I've been working in Aneurin Bevan since 2008. I wanted to thank the Welsh Clinical Portal team for what they did. A couple of weeks ago, I had two patients who came back to back who had had their surgeries in other hospitals. And in the old days, maybe 4 or 5 years ago, I'd be lost. They wouldn't have any sort of knowledge as to why they were here except for the GP referral. This time when they came, logged on to WCP, found out exactly what they had done, when, by whom, what adjuvant treatment they had done. And because of that, we managed to sort of sort out their problems as quickly as we could. From a patient perspective, coming into hospital, each journey is tricky. You know, finding parking in any hospital is hard enough. But the stresses of knowing that you've got a clinic appointment makes things twice as stressful for them. To know that I could solve whatever issue I needed to solve in one clinic visit because I had their past history, I think made it a better patient experience for them.